fine. I'm not gonna drink it anyway. I already stirred on my water.
Oh, yeah. I know. That's why I'm drinking it. I'm not going to waste this.
Oh. You're so good.
Yeah. You know, sometimes you got to take one for the team.
Yeah, you. Just taking it for the team.
No, the way you said that was like... That sounded erotic. Like... Taking something up the butt for the team. Oh yeah, that's one thing that I wanted to see. If I'm looking at you, and I'm talking.
That's true. It was actually, oh yeah. I wanted to see about taking one for the team.
Is that funny? Great. Can you hear those crickets? No? Oh wait, we should probably put the monitor on.
What did you do?
Well, I did that.
Oh.
You just can't monitor it. Yeah. So, turn that down a little bit. Turn this down. Turn my lights down. Turn my headphones up. I'm in the zone. No, you don't know it. Oh, it's a Jay-Z song.
Oh. No.
Yeah. Yeah, I made a little list. Kind of things that I wanted to cover, actually.
Oh.
You can't read that?
Last week. Clean up. Sell all.
Last week. Oh yeah. I just realized I forgot what I meant by that, but now I remember. I was lost, but now I am found. So yeah, I wanted to. I am lost, but now I am found. By who?
By the Who?
No, I'm pretty sure it's not by the Who. Pretty sure that joke was not funny and you shouldn't have laughed at it. Do you want to see how Walgreens did? They're already showing you here.
Just so happens that I want to know what happened last week.
Just so happens.
Bullet point
Well, let
number
me
one.
tell you. It did pretty well. Check it out.
Boots?
Walgreens Boots. Yeah, that's what they are. Walgreens Boot Alliance. So we bought it. When did we buy it? When was last?
I love how you say we.
Oh, yeah, sorry. When did I buy it?
I like
Nah,
it.
just kidding. When did we buy it? We bought it, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday.
Morning.
So it's debatable. It was probably somewhere around here.
What time does it open?
Actually, I don't know why we're dicking around with this. We could just go log in. Yep. Oh, 9:30. I'm serious. 9:30. It's when the market opens.
Really?
Yeah.
Seems so late, did it?
Well, also, it's like kind of weird. Why 9:30? Why not on the hour? Oh my god, what?
I just, when I said that last word, Chris would always say, you say,
Oh, now you're hearing yourself? And now you're realizing it? Yeah, you say that all the time. I'm not even joking. And I don't think he's joking either. That's funny, though. Now that you're hearing yourself, you can actually...
Yeah.
You hear it now. Because I was
now
trying
you
to...
can play it back.
Yeah, no, I was trying to show you. I was trying to tell you, and you're like, nah.
You're just being racist, dude. You're just being racist.
Being racist? Is that... Is that like a Valley Girl thing?
Japanese Valley Girls?
No, because you say like, you end words with Oh, I see what you're doing. I see what you're saying. You think it's like a Japanese thing.
He's like, you're so Asian.
You're so Asian!
That was me doing an Asian.
Me too. It's pretty bad.
Alright. I didn't realize it was that early. I thought they opened at like 7 or something.
No. Nah. They're lazy.
So it opened at 9:30 and it went in. Oh wait, no, I'm thinking about the other one we ordered.
We bought 3 things. We bought Walgreens. We bought, we got it right here. The notifications. LEG, Walgreens, and Altria.
Okay. No, Walgreens is the one I said to go more. So.
Right. And it was 3 shares. Oh, so one thing that you wanted to know, right, was...
Oops.
It's funny that you can hear that get picked up. June 25th. Yeah, okay, so here you go. Here is your buy. $155. So you submitted a limit buy on June 25th, which is last Monday, for $51.95.
Right.
And it filled at $51.85. So the market must have opened
Lower.
below. Or if it didn't open below, at some point it went below for enough time for your order to fill.
The first minute that they opened.
Well, it doesn't. Oh, wow, yeah. I guess it did open because it says filled 9:30, which is when the market opened.
Show what it looks like when the market's closed?
When the market closes?
During the close? The trend line?
I'm not sure what you mean. What do you mean?
Because it has the stock value, right? During when it's open.
It depends on
for the aftermarket.
But there is no aftermarket. There's no activity.
And where does that trend line come from?
What are you talking about though? What trend line are you talking about?
I don't know if it was on Robinhood or another one where it shows what the aftermarket amount is going.
Yeah. A bunch of brokers show that. Even Google shows that. Like, if we go back to Google here, it'll say, like, if you go to the day, it'll be, like, after hours.
Yeah, where does that come from?
I don't know.
It's like a multiverse.
After hours, 54.64. I don't know. Let's find out. What are after hours market trading? Normal market hours are 9:30 to 4 p.m. After hours trading, as the name implies, is a trading session that occurs after the market's closed, in which investors can place orders to buy or sell stock. There is also a session prior to the market's open, which is called the pre-market session. Let's see what Schwab says. Should we incorporate this into our trading strategy, investment strategy? Let's put the mic down a little bit here. There we go. Do you hear yourself bitter?
Bitter?
Yeah. Do you hear yourself bitter?
I hear myself bitter.
Oh, you know what? Let's go to Investopedia. Investopedia is the fucking shit. They got pretty awesome videos. Check this out.
I'm gonna open a website that just has something PDF at the end. Maybe
like
somethingpdf.com.
Pedia.
Pedia.
Just no one even knows what it is. It's completely worthless.
Somethingpedia.com. Watch, it's gonna just go through the roof.
See this. I know this animation. That's the. Oh, maybe this is the one that you want here. Let's check it out.
The one that I want.
Have you ever been to Encyclopedia Dramatica? I wonder if it even exists anymore. It was. You should read the one about Hawaii. It's still a thing. Wow. Wait, before we kill our brain cells, let's learn about this. Hopefully they have a video. Yeah, their videos are pretty good. Should be right here any minute now. The after hours trading session can run as late as 8 p.m., although volume typically thins out much earlier in the session. Trading after hours is conducted through electronic communication networks. What the fuck is that?
What is that?
I don't know. Let's click on it.
Yeah, this is never ending.
Yeah. Your money. Whoo. Participation. The SPOC. After hours trading is something traders or investors may use if news breaks after the close of the stock exchange. In some cases, the news, such as an earnings release, may prompt an investor to either buy or sell a stock. Volume for The volume for a stock may spike on the initial release of the news, but most of the time thins out as session progresses. The amount of volume generally slows significantly by 6 p.m. There is substantial risk when trading in illiquid stocks after hours. Price. Not only does volume sometimes come at a premium in the after hours trading sessions, but so does price. It is not unusual for the spreads to be wide in the after hours. The spread is the difference between the bid and the ask prices. Well, due to fewer shares trading, the spread may be significantly wider than during the normal trading session. Participation. If liquidity and prices weren't enough of a reason to make after hours trading risky, the lack of participants makes it even riskier. In some cases, certain investors or institutions may choose simply not to participate in after-hours trading, regardless of the news or the event. This means that it is quite possible for a stock to fall sharply in the after-hours, only to rise once the regular trading session resumes the next day. Should many big institutional investors have a different view of the price action during the after-hours trading session? Because volume is thin and spreads are wide in after-hours trading, it is much easier to push prices higher or lower, requiring fewer shares to make a substantial impact. So it sounds like all the after-hours trading is just like a few guys or ladies.
Mm-hmm. I was thinking the same thing.
But yeah, so it's like, it's kind of like if you have like something that you want to like buy or sell,
but it doesn't count.
It's like, why would it need to be? I guess it's just 9:30 to 4 p.m. is just when most brokers agree. It's
but
kind
it
of a
doesn't
convention.
include, so like when we put it in on Robinhood, that doesn't count.
Well, right now, because we're in Hawaii, if we were to do a market purchase, like a market buy, it would give us, like, most brokers give you, or at least the two that I've used, they give you a warning. Like, hey, don't do this. Yeah, like, here, I'll show you. I know Ally does it. I don't know if,
But when we're doing this, it's not the same thing.
when we're doing this.
Yeah, when we're putting those limit buys and stuff in on Robinhood.
Well, that's what I'm about to show you. Oh, here you go.
Would during regular market hours.
Yeah.
But after hours trading comes with added risk. It's less liquid because there's fewer buyers, and more volatile with wider bid-ask spreads because it sees less volume. Small investors will likely have to compete against institutional investors with more resources. Despite the risks, many investors jump at the chance to exit a losing position before regular trading begins, or buy into a new one before the crowd. Activity frequently surges with breaking news, like an earnings report or a pending merger. Investors cannot
That's
currently
a hell of a
trade all
report.
day.
Just
but those
just
times
stick a
may come
green
upon us
thumbs
soon.
up on there. Yeah. So, what is a electronic communication network? Is a computerized system that automatically matches buy and sell orders for securities in the market. It connects major brokerages, and individual traders so they can trade directly between themselves without going through a middleman. You can even look up. Oh, they're gonna talk about it? Okay, cool. All right, I don't need to read this.
An electronic communications network, or ECN, electronically connects buyers and sellers so that they can directly trade stocks, currencies, and other financial instruments with one another.
Huh.
The main benefit of an ECN is that it eliminates the need for a third party, such as an investment bank, to facilitate trades. The
Oh,
rise of ECNs have helped investors participate in after-hours and foreign currency trading, and ECNs have made it easy for people living in different hemispheres to trade with one another.
okay.
ECNs
So
charge a fee
basically-
for each transaction.
okay.
They must be registered with the
So basically, like a broker.
SEC as broker-dealers.
Okay. So they're a broker, but they don't. A lot of brokers, like Ally, are like kind of double as a bank.
ECNs are automatic and immediate.
So maybe that's the
Instant was the
difference.
first ECN, debuting in 1969 for use by all small brokerages and financial
69.
institutions. Other examples include the NASDAQ, Select
Wait,
and Bloomberg
1969?
Trade Book. Rather than
Like,
existing
was there
as a
any
physical
electronic
location, these
shit
ECNs
even
are
happening?
networks that
Even
accommodate
computers?
trading outside of a traditional.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what I was gonna show you. So if hey, someone's getting blurred. clearly hear all of that. Jeez, is that like right there? No, that was pretty
It's not
close.
too bad,
It wasn't
yeah.
like super far away and we were just
Yeah.
picking it up. So it's a market buy. You can tell by them. It's a market order. It says market price. And so if I hit review order, it's going to tell me your order will be placed after the market opens and executed at the best available price. So what does that mean? Huh. Because when you do a market buy, it'll just buy at whatever the market value is.
What was your question? Sorry, I zoned out. I was distracted
Never
writing
mind.
notes.
No, I guess my question is, if I do a market buy, like if I put in this order right now, what will happen the next day if there's lots of after hours trading? Because the after hours trading could make the price do really weird things.
I mean,
That's the thing, is like it's not stable.
yeah.
So I don't know. I've never tried it
But it'll
because
still
I was
only
thinking.
execute during the daytime. So the after hours doesn't do anything?
Yeah, but at the same time, like, say you have a huge spread because of the after hours market trading. So, like, all right, let's open up some paint here. We're about to get nuts. So you have the bid. Wait, let me make sure this is right. Bid and ask. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
sorry.
So bid is I'm pretty sure it's the highest price someone's willing to buy at. Bid and ask spread, future conference. Term bid and ask, also known as bid and offer, refers to a two-way price. The bid price represents the maximum price that a buyer is willing to pay. Okay. The ask price represents the minimum price that a seller is willing to receive. A trade. Oh, we got another video.
Oh, yay! I love these.
Here you go.
Just nuggets.
Nuggets. Get ready for these
Nuggets of
gems.
Bid and ask is a
Bid and
two-way
ask.
price quotation. The bid price is the highest amount a buyer is willing to pay for a security.
Oh shit.
The asked
Oh no. There's no I'll just let it buffer. Okay.
price is the lowest amount the seller is willing
Let's
to
hope.
accept. When the
What? Look, you got buffer? Come on.
I like this guy's voice.
Yeah, this guy's voice is better than the last guy,
He
isn't it?
could sell me anything.
What about crack?
Yeah.
if this guy wanted to sell you crack, he could.
I mean, listen to his voice. He's
If
just
you're out
so
there-
trustworthy.
Yeah. Yeah.
If he spoke just like that.
The asked price is the lowest amount the seller is willing.
Ah, god damn it. Look at all that buffer. Why is it being all dumb? Looks like a good video too.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe someday we'll see it. Well, this is really weird. Like, what's the point in the buffer? I don't get it. Oh, but anyway, yeah, so I guess what this video is trying
Ask
to... Oh,
is
okay,
a
great.
two-way price quotation.
No,
The
it's
bid-
behaving. What the fuck? This fucking bar is a lie. There's nothing happening with this bar. Is it just...
No.
what is the purpose of this bar? Is it gonna play now that it's fully barred? Oh god.
It's not up to bar. To par.
It's not the bar. I see what you did there.
Oh god, there's so many bad jokes at the beginning.
Yeah, but anyway, so one weird thing, because the spreads can vary a lot with the after hours trading, is that you could have a bid and an ask that are way far off from each other. So if you put in a market buy, I believe that
The amount a buyer is willing to pay for a security. The
fuck you, internet. God, that's what happens when you try to use a hotspot. Yeah, worthless. But anyway, yeah, so if like trying to think about this. Because if you put your market buy in, then I think that just puts you in the hierarchy of bids. And whoever's at the top of the stack,
Does it?
that's the...
It's not automated already by this time?
It's probably automated by the broker. I mean, that's what the broker is doing.
I guess it does need an order. It's not an unlimited amount of stocks.
It needs an order?
Yeah. It's not going to automatically... Okay, it dropped to this price, then you get it simultaneously.
I don't know.
asked price is the lowest amount the seller is willing to accept.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, Lordy, Lordy, Lord. Okay, well, I give up.
Don't give up. Let's sit here now.
Nah. Let's make moves.
Oh, wait. So now I want to know about the cleanup.
Were you
Report
satisfied
number 2.
with the performance last
wait,
week?
Wait, no, you're right. Let's finish Walgreens. We got what we
Yeah,
wanted.
so let's see. Walgreens, this was where... So we bought here. 51.85, and then now it's here. So, hooray for that, I guess.
We made some chingy.
We got some equity. Cool. So that's that.
What is it
Let's
for the
see.
past 3 months? I'm kind of curious.
For the past 3 months. It's been just kind of flat, really. It's actually only picked up in the past...
What is that dip?
Right here. May 31st. May was just a generally bad month for the entire market. But yeah, kind of just, it's been on the rise. So we'll see.
Cool.
What was the other one that we bought? We bought
Legit.
also
Legs.
Mo. Let's see how Mo did. Oh, it's gonna take me here. I'll take you here. Oh, here it is. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Can't get no privacy. You know that song?
Mm-hmm.
You know who sings it?
Michael Jackson?
It kind of sounds like Michael Jackson, but it's not.
Is that a new song?
It's Rockwell. No, it's like from the 80s. So didn't turn out so good for Altria. Bought it. Well, let's see. I guess we bought it over here. Yeah, it's just been kind of going down. So that's that.
What's the 3 month on that one? I'm just curious.
It's your obsession with the 3 month.
Not a whole
There
lot.
you go. It's been steadily going down. How about the 1 year? Let's check out the 1 year.
Oh.
Whoa,
What the hell is
it's I don't know what's going on there.
What the fuck?
All right. Cool.
What does that mean? That's like
Dude,
what?
this is my kind of company.
What is
Alcohol.
that? What is this at? The flat line.
I don't know, but that looks like a bad sign, right? I think it just lacks data. If you go to the
How do you lock data?
How do you... Oh, I think something different's gonna come up if I type in just Mo. Oh, wow. Hey. You want to know one month? They don't have the 3 months. Sorry. You're gonna have to pick. Okay, how about 6 months? You happy with that?
Sure, I'll look at it halfway.
Okay, great. So, bought it around here last week, and it's just kind of been going down.
Can't say I'm entirely sad.
48.78 down to 47.69. So this isn't huge or anything. I remember I bought Altria was one of the I bought back in like April 23rd. So that one's not doing too well, but it's really not that much of a change. I mean, if you look at the year, you'll see a lot more variation. So yeah, I mean, it's just kind of oscillating between $10. Oh yeah, now we got some. Let's see the max. That's pretty cool.
That's an 89.
Oh yeah, and so leg was the last one. Let's see how leg did. I should have known.
Human legs are doing well.
Legs are still going steady.
Going strong.
Oh, looks like there's a bit of a bump today. Up about 1%. The past 5 days? Oh, okay, so we bought over here and now it's over here. Okay, so it's about $1. It kind of went through a dip. Yeah, alright. I mean, it's fine. Oh, but this one, buying it back here, it kind of, I don't know. It's like a few dollars, so it's not too crazy. Alright, anyway, that's what happened last week.
Sweet.
So, it turns out people still need tampons and cigarettes.
I believe it.
Yeah.
Next week, man. Cigarettes.
So, what I was thinking now was, I got a lot of shit to clean up. Like, look at all this shit down here. Whoa.
Wait,
this is all...
Sorry, continue.
Not now.
Well, what are you cleaning?
Well, when I say clean up, I mean like...
Not your desk.
Yeah, I'm not going to throw shit away. What I'm talking about is there's all these things that I bought. And I guess I'm going to eventually need some way to see when I bought things and what I bought and why I bought them. So I guess I was just going to kind of go through here. But
Are you doing a spreadsheet?
no, I'm gonna do a spreadsheet. Spread them, bucko. So I guess, yeah, let's go with ticker. I'm gonna build a sheet in real time here. Do you know how to make a table?
No.
Well, I'm gonna teach you. Here we go. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
I always feel like somebody's watching me. Can't get no privacy. I feel like dividend yield is probably an important one. Maybe even DYT. This guy.
How come you're skipping your div class?
I don't know. Do you think that's important?
Can test your system.
If the kings fail more, sure. But dow. All right, so let's take the ones from, what was that, May 28th. So now I need to see what I bought back in May 28th. What was that look?
I don't know.
May, June, no, okay, we're going older.
Legs.
So May 28th. Oh, I bought the acquires multiple then. That's something different though. Leg, and full.
Full legs. Full leg.
Full legs. All right, so this is gonna be weird. I mean, I guess also number of. Oh shit! Why did I insert a column when there's already a column? Number of stocks. That's probably an important one. And maybe price. I think that might be it. So here we go. Full legs. Let's check out what price. Maybe I should be more specific.
Do you also check what you sold them for?
Purchase price. Well, I think that comes later, but right now, just kind of like getting it filled with some stuff. So, on May 28th, 2019, and I bought one share, and I bought it at 166.67.
Cool.
Yep. Super
where's
cool.
Full? Which one's full?
Dividend class, it's a
it's
king.
fuller?
And I bought it for, the yield was 3.47. The DYT was 3.5. Fucking hear the neighbors.
Wait, your div yield is 3.4. Your decimal place.
Oh, did I mess up? Oh, whoops. 3.47. So full is a king, and then same price. Oh my God, they found us.
Are all of your tables ordered this way? In that order?
I see where you're going with this. I see where you're going with this. I think eventually they are, but this one is not. $29.2. And I bought. Well, shit. Let's do leg while we're here. Aristocrat. Oh yeah, I was thinking for the classes, we do Shogun, Samurai, and then Ronin. And leg was at a yield of 3.2 when I bought it. And so 34.4. Alright, so now let's go back to the times when I bought that. So for full, that was 3 shares at 41.22. And then for leg, it was 3 shares at 37.19. Alright. Okay. You ever make a table? Let me show you how to make a table. So you go over to Format as Table. You Control A. Do that. What color do you like?
For tables, blue. Light blue.
Dude, let's go with green. Cause that money. Dude, doesn't that look good?
Alright.
Look how good that looks.
Yeah.
And then, oh, what are you doing? Then I like to wrap that text. And then sometimes I'll just like, oh yeah. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do a little of that. Who knows? Center it, you know? And that's it. And then, so sometimes I'll, so what the fuck is the purpose of doing this? Well, I guess one thing is to, so the eventual plan is to sell these about a year later. Well, a year and a day. Because that locks in the long-term capital gains tax rate. As opposed to the short-term capital gains tax rate.
Keepers, not the ones that you're trying to rotate, get rid of.
These are the keepers. I mean, in the sense that, well, by keepers you mean like, as opposed to the ones that I'm trying to like.
There was that set on that list where. I guess
Oh,
they changed
yeah.
some
Yeah,
stuff,
yeah.
but
So
you're
these are
telling me
the-
to don't.
This is like the current system I'm doing. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. So for the dividend class, that was I was thinking of doing like a cipher or something like that. So it could be like the shoguns, the samurai, and the ronin. This is so dumb. And this would be the number, years, dividend growth. So this would be, for the shogun, that would be above 50. 50 plus, let's say. Samurais are 40 to 50. And then for the ronin,
Is that 40 to 49?
I don't know what that's gonna be. 25 to. All right, Miss Smarty Pants. Does that make you happy? And let's make a table out of that. You like blue?
Light blue.
Light blue? How about this one? This one?
Far
This
left,
one?
Left.
Far left?
There.
Oh yeah, that is a nice blue. Which one?
That one.
Hey, you don't want those headers? You don't like those headers, man? Alright, so there we go. So at least now we kind of know what they mean. Except now we have to actually use this. Have to go back and do all of that. It seems like way more work than it's worth. Let's call this the cipher. Is that how you spell it? I don't know. Buys. Here you go. So that's what I was thinking. So now I can actually delete that original Excel and
Holy smokes.
or at least
cleaning.
put it somewhere. I don't know.
Archive folder.
Because I think I want an Excel for what I plan to buy. Like, you could call it like purchase plan, you know? Because sometimes the buys don't go through.
Oh, yeah.
So this is to separate out what actually does go through. You know?
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
You
Yep.
feel me?
Yep. I feel you.
Alright, let's see how much longer this might take, because I don't want to bore you. And I don't want to bore our
You wanna
fan.
bore me?
Our single fan. Aurora Borealis.
One fan that's not.
Aurora Boring Alice. Alright.
You just laughed at your own joke.
I did. Oh, so this is a cool thing about tables. Check this out. So I'm going to now put... Oh, I thought you were chuckling, but actually that was like the neighbors shuffling their feet. So June 3rd, 2019. It's going to do the whole row though. You feel me?
No.
Oh, shit. So now like the whole, even though I entered it in there, the whole row becomes a part of the table, you know?
Okay.
You're like, please end this. I want to die right now. What? Nothing went through actually. Because you see I have these June 10th cancels, which means, and that's the next Monday after June 3rd. So I think the only thing that went through was cigarettes. Faithful cigarettes. So let's put in Mo. And for now, are we doing this? Is it finally time? The Shogun. This is so fucking stupid. Is it? I don't know. It feels dumb. Feels like I'm making...
Fun.
Yeah, alright. That's a good point.
Make it fun. Make it fun.
Yeah. Well, what's the...
It'd be even better if there's a samurai icon. You sort by pictures.
Sort by icon. You can do that in Excel. Hey, did I tell you I found Kevin's face
Oh, jeez.
on Facebook? And I was thinking about making that our channel icon. We should spend the rest of the episode just making that into our channel icon.
I like that mustache.
Oh man.
Did he take this photo for you?
No, this is like this was his
His
Facebook
selfie?
profile for like a year.
And you kept it? You're like, oh, this is still
I found it. I had to go digging. It didn't just It wasn't just there.
Where did you find it?
Well, on Facebook.
Oh.
Check it out. It's the Japanese feudal system.
Do you have an... So the emperor is king?
Yeah. Well, yeah. So I wanted it to be... I didn't want it to just go straight to the top, because who knows, if you want to expand the system.
Kind of start in the middle.
Yeah, which is kind of what I did.
Peasants.
So Samurai, Ronin, peasants.
Yeah.
Go with that.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Why not? Why not? Although, this seems wrong to artisans being below
Yeah, that's the same one.
and merchants being... But then again, like, the Jews were... People didn't like them because they were like... I don't know. Who knows? It was a different
That
time.
makes sense. I think this is a jacked up picture.
Oh, you want to find another one?
Someone just drew
Don't
this.
speak. The silence says it
speak.
all.
I know what you're thinking.
Don't please saying. Oh, hey, wait. I need to check out La Copa America real quick. I want to know if Argentina... Oh, they're tomorrow. They're tomorrow at 2:30 too. Shit. I might be able to catch that game.
What? Wait, what time?
2:30? Yeah, fuck yeah. I'm gonna
which
watch
time
that
zone?
shit. Google always quotes it in your own time. Yeah, here you go. All times are in Hawaii. Oh shit. And day 22 of the Women's World Cup is still going on.
I wanna see.
Well, get off work at 2:30. Where can I get? Whole Foods is probably gonna be playing it. Yeah. All right. Cool. I know what I'm doing. Hey, I wonder if this video will ever play. Okay. All right. Cool. That was a failure. Oh yeah, we were looking up the Japanese feudal hierarchy. Legendsandchronicles.com. Do you like this one?
Scroll down. Is there one that has a PDF?
Do you wanna search by images?
Is there something PDF? I'll trust that one.
PDF?
There, Wikipedia. Yeah, doesn't it matter? I think it matters what period it was in. The Edo period? Edo Society?
Oh, this looks pretty cool.
Hey, you can just crop those little guys and stick them in your Excel spreadsheet.
The largest class, peasants and artisans and merchants. The lowest class because they produce nothing of their own.
Oh.
That kind of makes
They're
sense.
like salesmen.
Yeah. Yeah, they're just like cheesy car salesmen.
Oh, man.
I think I'm going to actually
Messed
take
up.
this one.
Peasants?
Save it.
So what do peasants produce?
Well, you know, at least they're out there working the field, right?
Are they? Is that what he's doing? Oh, he is. Wait, isn't that farmer? Oh, farmer is a peasant.
Let's get a bigger...
Oh.
Actually, I mean, the emperor's got to be doing the least, right? He should be at the bottom. Should be more of a circle. Where yeah. He was at the top of Japanese society but had little real power. So people at the bottom and the top had
Right.
no power. Shogun, the actual ruler of Japan. Daimyo were wealthy landowners. So those were kind of like the
Daimyo.
lords.
Land owners, man. Gotta
Yeah,
make that
samurai
money.
warriors were Japan's warriors. Alright. Okay. No Ronin, though. No mention of the Ronin. Which, I don't know what they even are.
I don't know either. Oh, what is that?
Samurai. So Ronin are masterless samurai.
What? Oh. Oh, like free samurai? Oh,
I don't know if
isn't there a
they're
movie
free,
called
but-
Ronin? They just fight for whoever.
Yeah, like 7 Ronin, or something.
Maybe we should add that to the
Good one.
movie list.
3D pure. Add what to the movie list?
Ronin.
Is that a movie?
It's something Ronin, yeah, I think so.
Are you eating my arm? 90% of the population were peasants?
Well, that sucks.
You got the little Japanese thing here. She, no, ko, sho. Suckling. Alright, so it's decision time. Decision time, Carl.
What are
Kevin
you gonna do
decrees
with
that it's
him?
decision time. What am I gonna do with Kevin?
Make him,
don't
make him the
know.
emperor.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Sort by
Kevin.
king.
It's kind of fucked up because I haven't asked him if we can
Nope.
show his face
just
or
put-
say his name.
Put a happy face in the edits.
Still trying to figure that out. So, you like the system?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so going back to this thing, the purchases, yeah.
At worst, we can find and replace later.
So you were wondering if this is the same thing. That is a good question. No, because date is over here. So I'd have to put date. And I can actually move. That's one cool thing about columns, is that I can actually, Jesus Christ, you can just move columns over like that. Boom. That is so loud. So you got div yield, you got, oh, there's even the price here. Yeah, that's nice.
Looky there.
Looky there. Maybe I can move it in such a way that is actually more. Yeah.
Price shares.
So number of stocks. So ticker, class, div yield, and then the div average. But I don't really want the div average. Maybe I can move the div average over. I don't
We
know.
can always move it back later.
I don't know. It's not that much of an issue though. You know. All right, that's another one down.
Well, I mean, but then you can just copy and paste them too.
Okay, let's do it with the next one. How about that? You tell me what the fuck you want me to do, and I'll do it.
What?
We still need to enter in all that shit. Well, not all that, but it's. God damn it! I didn't enter in purchase price. I see what you mean now. So June 5th. It was actually June 5th that I went through. And it was 2, and it was at 50.10. I gotta open
Hey,
that
what
up
is
again.
that download trade confirmation? Or is that just that one? It's not like you don't export into a spreadsheet or anything?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but it's not even information I want anyway, so
Okay.
you just want to download stuff. You just want to.
I mean, if you comes at a PDF,
It has none.
then you
Has
can
none.
convert
It has
it
none of
into-
this anyway.
Okay.
It's something that I enter in. So it was 6.39, and it was 45.
Wait, can you just copy paste the cells?
I could.
The row.
Talking about this, but the average isn't in here, so I'd have to make another column.
Or just move that guy over and then
Oh,
come back later.
Jesus. Yeah, but
That's a
then
message
the
before
other
the-
ones, I have to do it going forward because the other ones don't have that. I'll show you. All right, moving on. Here we go. So the 10th. What filled on the 10th? So we had canceled. So we put in orders, limit by, so it must have went in on June 12th, and then June 13th. June 12th, and June 13th. And that was more Mo, WBA, and 3. Yeah. That guy is also a samurai. Shogun. Wait. We can put in the price here that it was bought at. So Mo was bought at 51.28. And it was 1. And then, oh no, there's 2 shares. And then 2 shares of Walgreens. Now it's at 52.19. And then for this guy, it was 168.29. Okay. So then the other part is the copy and pasting. So you were saying just put a row in here?
What are you missing?
Because there's div yield here, and then there's DYT.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
you can put a row in and delete it later.
Damn it, it's not in order. What? You don't like that? What's wrong? Oh, okay. I guess that was just us. Mo.
More money, more money, more.
Mo money, mo money, mo. Mo money, mo money, mo. Okay. All right. Another one in the bag. And the final one. This was missing one actually. Purchases June 17th. I don't see. There should be a June. What was last week Monday? June 25th? June 24th. Huh.
Try searching.
What happened to June 24th? Purchases? Oh, do I have a... Oh. That's weird. Okay.
Maybe it's in your many trash cans.
My... Let's go. Let's go see. Is it... Are you in here? Maybe I should search purchase... no. Nope. June? Nope. That's weird. June. Huh. I wonder if I have it in here. Oh, it's open. Well, shit. June 18th. Was anything bought June 8th? Yeah, apparently there was. So, okay. I guess I'll just have to live with that. You know? Sometimes you gotta just live with your mistakes.
Or not, because it's not there.
How convenient. So Altria was bought at, this is June 18th. June 18th. No. And there's both one share. And it was 51 for Altria. 51 on the dot. And then this guy was 53.20. Looks like we bought 2 shares. Yeah, 2 shares. 53.20. Okay. And then we don't know what this is. Oh no, actually we do. We have it right here. But we don't know what the next week is. So here we have 3.33 and then 59. And then for Mo is 6.29 and then it was 43. Okay. That guy's done. That's it. All we need is next week, or last week rather, which was more Walgreens. And we don't know that, but we know what it was bought at, which is 51.85, and it was bought on June 25th, 2019. 3 shares. And then it was Mo Samurai 48.67 June 25th. And that was 2 shares. And then Leg and Plat was God damn it.
It's still alive.
Still what?
Alive.
Still alive? I don't know how, but that's cool.
Completely unexpected. That's showering?
Well, that's it. Yeah, I think someone's showering. It's cool to know that. That's it. I'm gonna call this purchases.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. That's the cleanup.
Or you
Just need to put this.
You just call it purchases.
Yeah, purchases. Oh, whoops.
All right.
Let's make a folder
We're
called
almost-
purchases.
We're almost there.
Oh yeah, I started making a list of dividends.
Is that the wrong streetcar?
No, I got the right
Oh,
one.
you did?
I mean, I hope it's the right one. Let's check it out. Yeah, that looks like a movie. Feels like a movie.
Sweet.
Must be a movie. So I made $135, $136 about, from
That's
dividends
when?
in the past 2 months. So that's cool.
Nice.
Maybe I'll put all these things in here.
What's the percentage of what you've invested? What's that percent, bro?
Of what, my entire like net worth, you mean?
Like, what's the percent that you put in and the versus what you got out?
I don't know. Pretty small. Like what I got out in terms of what, dividends?
Well, actually, no, wait. Because this is that's all based on the Robinhood.
No. Why?
I don't know what I'm asking.
Oh, okay. Great. Cool. So that's the cleanup. Oh
Got it,
yeah,
I
so
got
the
it.
sell-off.
Sell-off.
So that brings us back to the watch list. Oh, so it's kind of a somewhat interesting thing. Not really though. I filled in so price to earnings ratios are a pretty common way to value companies. So I was kind of curious how what I'm doing kind of correlates with that, if it does. So I went company by company, and so this is sorted by largest dividend yield multiple, all the way to the lowest. So I was curious to see if the theory correlates with like price to earnings. So basically, lower price to earnings are good, and higher price to earnings are bad. So the idea is like, is it sloping up if I draw this trend line? And apparently it is, but it's not a very steep slope. It's 0.18 is the slope, so that means I guess every 5 companies you traverse here, it goes up 1 PDE, which is not much. But anyway, I guess that doesn't mean anything if you don't know anything about that. If you've never heard of, okay. So, I guess I'll just stop talking then. So let's go to the watch list. Let's go to the old portfolio. These guys, they gotta go.
Is there an order you're getting rid of them?
Is there an order?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm slowly going from the bottom of the list, working my way up. I mean, these guys can probably stay, but I think I'm going to draw the line somewhere over at like 30%. So anything that you see below 30% right now. So let's go to Seeking Alpha. So what I want to do is I want to fill these in. So let's go to let's let it load. It takes time to load just a table. Quality and value. That's apparently what I called this. So I got my old portfolio here. So what I want to do is kind of do the same thing that I was doing before, except I want to, let's order this by A to Z. Okay, so ABC, ADM, BMY, just making sure that they're all the same here. Because I could copy it into Paint and all that, and that makes it easier to see, but I think there's so few of them that I don't really necessarily have to. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this column, and then actually this might come in handy. So you spout off the yield.
I can't see that
You
far.
you can't see that far? It's 2 feet away from you. Wait, are you serious?
Yeah.
You seriously need to get your eyes checked.
They said I had 20/20.
Who said you had 20/20? Your mom? Wow.
Dim lighting.
Wow. No. No. That ain't it. How about this? Oh. How about this?
Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Div yield.
Yeah, div yield.
1.87, 3.38, 355, 405, 261, 259, 205.
Oh, what? 2.59?
Yep, 2.05, 269, 232, 330, 615. And let's see the list.
That's what you think. Starting from Mo.
Starting 615. No, not
6.71.
12.62 898 185 322 455.
4.55. Okay. Could check these guys. Oh yeah. Now I remember why I do the paint thing. It's because I don't have to freaking do all that. Dude, what's going on with the helicopters tonight?
Looking for you.
1.8, 2.2, 1.3, 2.6,
Okay.
5.6.
Alex is doing his doing his video. Let's go check him out.
We gotta make money. 5.3, 1.3, 2.2. Okay. All right, let's check it out.
So you're saying that none of those buttons on Seek Alpha export a spreadsheet?
No.
Dang, okay.
Let's sort. All right. So, what does this say? All right. Well, I guess ADM. Let's see what that's.
What's ADM?
ADM is Archer Daniels Midland. They've been up. Oh, make a note here. Oh, well, not yet, but man, I feel like this.
One of these days you're gonna actually forget.
Forget what?
Excuse me. And then not delete your stuff.
I mean, it's not even like the only thing that it reveals is my username. You still have to guess the passcode. Then what? What you gonna do? Huh?
And you count the characters and the time it takes for you to type
The
it.
slamming of the keys.
Mhm. Sure, there's an algorithm. No.
All right, whatever. Fine. Man, this is taking way too long.
There's a way. There's a way.
There's a way.
OCR this.
There's a way to what?
OCR those columns. Copy and paste.
OCR which columns?
I don't know, all of them, and then just.
Where? Real-time alerts, edit, delete.
We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. That might
Like-
be a song.
Is that a song? That doesn't sound like a song.
I just made it up.
Just made it up. Oh yeah, I got the cache. Cache. It's just so satisfying to say it like that.
Yeah.
Try it.
Keisha?
Cache.
Keisha?
Nah. Oh, one of those things I was gonna ask you if you wanted to talk about whether or not you should sell Amazon. Carl. Should Carl sell Amazon?
I would like to see what Amazon's at.
Oh shit. I forgot I brought this up. Encyclopedia Dramatica. Man, there's a Jesus Christ. Yeah, so this slogan pretty much says it all. In lulz we trust. And then there's a 4th of July's. That's the current threat.
What is in lulz we trust? I thought you said lulz like. Oh,
Basically.
Jinx.
Yeah, but it's like lulz is like trolling. Like you're just doing it for the fuck of it. The video of the now. Become the warrior of darkness. Suggest a feature. What the fuck?
Oh my gosh.
Should we watch this?
No. No. There's some things that are
Become the-
not meant to be watched.
Become the warrior of darkness. Oh shit.
No, I'm ready. I'm ready to bed.
I heard the new Spider-Man.
Jesus, Frank, just play the game. Why are you doing this?
Is that Hannibal Buress?
I'm training to be the warrior of darkness. I must become the darkness. You must become a better roommate.
Jeez.
Hey, you don't need that sword, man. You're not the warrior of darkness.
Yes, I am. Look at my sword.
You're from West London. That's a really nice part of London. Relax, man. You alright?
English?
What?
It's not about trying to be the ultimate Final Fantasy master.
It's
It's
contrived
what's in
suicide
here
baiting
that matters.
by
And
threat.
what's in there is a gamer. You can do this.
So this isn't like
You
a
got this.
spoof.
You think so?
It's video games. Yeah.
Why does he keep?
I never really thought about it like
Why
that.
does he keep
Yeah,
doing
this is
that?
what-
Why does he keep doing
Just
that?
go and play. Yeah.
Oh shit!
Warrior of Darkness.
Final Fantasy 14.
Final Fantasy 14 Shadow
Is
Raiders.
it?
I'm
I don't even know.
confused. What just happened?
Yeah. Well, that's Encyclopedia Dramatica for you.
So
Random shit.
dramatic.
Article of the Now.
Wait, are we still?
Cotherix is an ex-furry author kid. I don't even know what the fuck is going on. I'm just curious about this 4th of July,
Why
July's
did you look
thing.
this up? What are we doing?
I don't know. I honestly don't remember why I brought up the Encyclopedia Dramatica. this is
Big adventures.
I'll find out when I go through the playback.
And, and you shake your head.
And then it'll be too late.
Too late. And then you'll save it for the next one.
Okay, so ADM, where you at? Oh, it's down 32. So maybe I should try to let it break even.
Why? What did you get it at?
I don't know. Really doesn't matter because it just tells you right here. This also includes the cost of the trading fee, which is $5.
Oh.
So I'm actually down more like 27, which is the reason I went over to Robinhood. It's because of this freaking trading fee that. I was like, oh, I'll try Robinhood out. 'Cause people say get like a broker like this where you pay for the trades because it's better. But then I tried Robinhood. It's like the same thing. There's lots of good features on Ally. It tells you some things, but it's just, I don't know, not enough. So you pay $5 for each trade, so that's $10 because you buy it and then you sell it, and each time you pay $5.
Oh.
So it's like
by trade you mean like
treat each transaction.
Okay.
So
So
it
it
doesn't
could
matter
be
if you
like
buy
5.
100 stocks or 5 stocks. It's all one transaction.
What are you doing?
No, I'm
Rotator
stretching out.
cuff
No,
issue?
yeah, I got ants in my
Shoulder.
shoulder.
You.
But so ADM, maybe I'll just let it come up a bit more. MMP, what's going on with MMP? Up 41. All right, let's get rid of it.
You're out.
Out of here.
You either,
Trade.
you either in or you're out.
Yeah. So Ella has cool things like this. Like it has cooler layouts, but it just wasn't. It's just not worth it, you know. MMP, so 21, and I'm gonna do a limit sell for 62. Oh, good till canceled. What is it now? MMP 6405. Let's go back to Ally. Why is it showing up as 62.9 when the market price is 6405? Must be some weird after hours trading thing. This is showing up as something way lower than the market. Well, not way lower. Yeah, that's relative. It's like 2% lower. So 64. Let's go with 64. How about that? So do you remember what that means? Sell limit And he set a limit of 64.
And if it... Wait, you're selling, right?
Selling.
God,
Learning nothing from doing this. So that means it's gonna sell. It's gonna sell at 64 or better.
Okay.
So if it hits 64 or above, then you're good. Then it's gonna sell it.
And then does this go on?
63.9. It's not gonna sell.
It just goes on until it's sold, or for the day. For the day.
Oh, till canceled, because I set it here. You could set it for either. So that's it. I'm gonna sell it. 64. Let's see if the order goes through next week. Ba-ba-doo. You see this? $4.95 commission.
Wow. So they gave you a discount of 5 cents.
Hey, thanks guys. Thanks for the discount. Alright, MMP out of here. What about ABC?
What's ABC?
It's easy as 1, 2, 3. That's what I hear. It's also AmerisourceBergen. What is AmerisourceBergen? Here, let me tell you. I believe it's a financial company. Here you go. Corporation is an American drug wholesale. Whoa, that was way off. Okay. So do they make the drugs? We drive innovation partnerships with pharmacies. Healthcare Solutions Company. What the fuck does that even mean? But I'm up 200 with them. So that's good. You know what that means?
Aren't you gonna sell it?
Means I'm gonna sell it. Trade. Sell. 18. Yes. Limit. Why is it telling me 68? See, yeah. So last price, 85.56. That's way off from 68. See what the Google says. 85.59. 85.56. That's pretty close. But yeah, something weird happens when you go to do the limit. Like I don't know what's going on. I mean, where on here does it ever say 68? So it must know something. And it's not like 68 was the last number that I entered in for MMP, because that was like 64 or something. So anyway, it's 85, let's just say 85.50. Seems fine. Could even do lower than that. Sure, let's do lower than that. See what happens. And good till canceled. Preview the order that tells me they're going to take $5 and place it. See, if I can do it, so can you. Oh, I was talking to you. You're looking over there, like. All right, so ABC's out, MMP's out, assuming the orders go through. ZOM, which is ExxonMobil, I already know that one. It's in the red, so I'm just gonna let it just hang on to it a little bit longer. Let's see what Hormel's doing. Hormel is up $6, yeah. So I might sell that. You can hear your bones crunching.
Getting old.
I sell this one at 41. Good till canceled.
25 of them.
Do I have 25? Oh wow, I do. Oh, there's a dividend coming up in August. I ain't gonna wait that long. Sorry, bruh. Sorry, bruh.
Bruh.
That's it.
Who says
Preview the
bruh?
order. Who says bruh? I say bruh. You mean like that? Like bruh?
Bruh. Isn't it bruh?
Dude, that's pretty common. Nah.
Bruh.
So ITW, HD. See how they're doing. ITW down, HDM up. Started from the bottom now here. You know what? Let's call it quits on the selling things off. And go ahead and strike that one off the list.
Open savings. I think that would be awesome if we did that.
Open a savings account.
Is that what that means?
That's what that means. Open savings.
Is that
So
what-
there was. So recently, Ally dropped their savings account interest rate from 2.2 to 2.1. And so.
Well, they didn't send me a notification telling me that. They only send it to me when it's going up.
And they're not gonna. So Wealthfront, I found out, has a. Wealthfront has a savings account that's 2.57. So I think I might start putting money in that. So I was thinking about opening an account.
What's their history?
So Wealthfront is basically a robo advisor. What that means is they have this kind of like automated advising process.
That sounds great.
So you give them. It sounds great.
Well, it sounds robo. I mean,
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
I guess if it's efficient.
Yeah. But I don't know. It's already kind of getting late, so I think I might call it quits on that because I still haven't done the actual dividend yield. And I guess we're not going to talk about Amazon. I guess we could talk about Amazon while we do the dividend yield.
Okay.
How's that sound? I'll just open the savings account at some point on my own damn time.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know if people
Can you
want to see.
multitask?
Can I multitask?
Is it div yield and Amazon?
Yeah, I think so. Let's try it out. First things first, though, we need to pull up the Kings. Or should I say... Or should I say... Hey, how do you change the name of this thing? Edit portfolio name. Here we go. Shogun.
Pull up on that.
No? You don't want to... Okay, cool. Alright, you're doing that. You're doing the thing. Hey! So, we got the Kings. Let's get the Kings out. Do you want them big?
Yeah.
You want them big?
Big.
Okay.
Bigger. Does it go bigger?
Bigger?
No, actually no. I think
Yeah, but then bigger means like you
I'll
gotta...
get closer.
Yeah, get closer. Do you want to do some ASMR?
Oh, do I?
Oh yeah, last time we had the mic over there. Oh, what the fuck?
I liked your ASMR.
Did you? Okay, we're going down to link.
Ow.
Oh, have you heard of this program called Microsoft Paint?
Mm-mm.
It's pretty cool. You can like do things like move stuff around like this. Here, check it out. Let me show you. Oh, what the fuck? My mouse is fucking up. It's like it does this thing where it like triple clicks. Oh, hey.
Do you need a new mouse?
Yeah, I need a new mouse. You have one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really? You want to donate
Possibly.
for a nominal fee? I get lined up. Get rid of this. All right. Ready to rock? Old portfolio is out of here. And gotta sort by. Oh wait, I gotta sort A to Z here first, and then A to Z here. Okay, now we got the kings. Alright, go for it.
If these are everything.
ABM, AWR, CBSH. I didn't change anything in Seeking Alpha, so nothing's changed.
Okay.
Yeah.
179. 148.
Whoa, hold on. 1.48.
173. 213. 239. 189. 158.
Whoa, wait, hold on. The enter button went crazy. Alright.
189 is where I left off.
189. Oh, hey, that's good. That actually let me know.
158.
158. Yeah, actually, it's more confusing if you don't say the point. It's better if you say the point.
Is it?
Yeah.
1.88.
Do you want to bring the mic closer to you?
No.
No.
2.94.
2.94.
1.78. 3.19. 1.37. 2.92. 2.05. 2.73. 3.10. 1.77.
And that was length. Alright, going back to the
Take me
portfolio.
Back to the time. Take me back.
Take me back. Yeah, is that it?
Yeah.
Back to the kind all over more better, Molokai. I will return. Why do I always laugh when I say Molokai?
Because you're banned from speaking Hawaiian.
I'm banned? Says who? You?
That's his name. Always looking out for me.
Back to the kind. Hey Serge, could you grab me a Perrier? Oh, sorry, is it okay if I say your name on national television?
There's one in the refrigerator.
Yeah, in the fridge.
Say my name. Say my name.
No one is around you, say baby, I love you.
I think you're banned from that too. It's so
Why?
good.
You don't like
Because
that?
it's so good.
Because
It's so good.
You're banned because it's so good. See, I just
Yeah.
fucking do this
It's
on my own.
dangerously good.
0.99.
2.76. 2.70.
Oh shit, now you're going too fast. 2.70.
1.08.
Thanks.
1.96.
Well, I don't even know. 2.76. 2.70.
Jesus.
2.07.
1.08.
Okay.
1.96. 1.79. 3.04. 0.96.
Man, I really want to own some Tootsie Rolls someday. I just like the idea. Well, I guess I
could
like the
buy
idea.
you a bag of Tootsie Rolls.
Oh, I see where you took it there.
Or you can do the Tootsie Roll.
Nah, I'm sure Serge has like a stash of Tootsie Rolls somewhere.
Do the Tootsie Roll.
Can you pass me a towel?
How's that song go?
Let me see you do the Tootsie Roll. Oh, I'm sure I'm butchering it. Let me see you Tootsie. Serge, do you know? You know Tootsie Roll? Oh, cracking.
That was the jam, man.
Kraken.
What is it, the 90s?
You're the jam. No, Smuckers has the jam.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Oh. Ba-da-bow. Oh, there you go, Tootsie Roll.
Is that the same guys that did the song?
69 Boys?
The Train.
Oh.
No, that's Quad City DJs.
Yeah.
This is apparently the 69 Boys.
What happens when they hear the song in here? They just flag it and then...
Yeah, probably. It depends if it's like flagged. Yeah, so it'll probably get flagged here. Oh, I mean,
Oh my gosh,
if it
my
ever-
mouth was open. Gross.
what, the burp?
Yeah.
You don't like my burps?
In my mouth?
Yeah, same question. I wonder if we talk over it. Oh, can't hear shit. Tootsie Roll! Shit, yeah! Tootsie Roll! Back in the days when it had the font.
And they know how to booty dance. I haven't seen a booty dance
Well,
like
also
that now.
they're black, so, you know,
Man,
they
that's
actually got
rolls.
butts.
That Tootsie Roll. How can they spell
me see your
Tootsie with the
Tootsie
double
Roll.
E?
Probably copyright,
Oh, yeah.
guessing. It's like, hey, can you not make a song that's just all about ass?
Snickers?
Because our candy is kind of like being put in kids' mouths. I'm thinking maybe.
Well, when you put it that way.
Yeah, I got away with words.
You do. Hence, come back to Freestyle Fridays.
Come back to Freestyle
Come
Fridays.
back to this channel for some
Oh
Freestyle
yeah,
Fridays.
on Fridays. Come back, where we do a live and uncut freestyle session, and by we, I mean me alone, because I have no friends. So, hey, what the fuck is that noise?
It's not me.
It's the cars driving.
The fuck is that noise? Ah, fuck it. Hey, do you hear that?
Yeah.
Do you hear that?
Chicken.
Alright, so, anyway. I'm fucking
I want to
around.
learn how to Tootsie Roll. Well, isn't that not Tootsie Roll? It's just called twerking now? Or at the same time?
Yeah, seems that way.
Or when I was walking up the stairs, I saw a cat.
Fuck
Was he
that
trying
cat.
to rip open that door?
Huh?
I think
Dude,
he was
that
trying
cat-
to rip open that door. The front door.
Maybe. He doesn't think it's the cat.
What do you think?
Oh, no,
it
I
is?
think it's plausible. I think it could be the
He's
cat.
Like, let me back in. It was so warm that one day.
I'm tempted to put just like a camera outside.
It needs to be night vision, though.
Sure, yeah. Night vision camera. Let's do it.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Dividend Samurai. I'm sure someone's taken that name.
No.
It took. Yeah, it takes a while for it to load for some reason. Alright, so let's do this. Let's do this or let's end this. I was me and Brigado were cruising Waikiki one night. And you know, people Waikiki, they're just like get loud and wild. And this guy was just drunk as fuck, just screaming, yelling, walking up the streets. And then at some point, he was screaming at someone, and he was like, "Let's do this or end this."
Well, I think the
That's
best
become like a-
drunk rant was the what is that? Gosh, game.
Oh, game recognized game.
Yeah,
Ah,
that was awesome.
I just think it was funny that the guy was doing like handstand push-ups for like a minute, and then the other guy jumps in and starts doing handstand pushes
And then
for an additional minute, and then they do
Did
this
you
like
forget
super
to-
elaborate like handshake, and it's like they choreograph the whole thing, you know?
You do handstand push-ups, so do I. You're so cool.
Yeah, what are the chances?
What are the chances of that? And we're on the same street, both doing handstand push-ups.
What are the chances? I mean, it didn't seem like they were the types to hang out with each other. I don't even know what I mean by
So
that.
it's magical.
Like, it didn't seem like you would see them hanging out together. It just seemed like a very odd couple,
Art brings everyone together.
or real brings everyone together. Realness. Real recognize real. real, recognize real. And they kept like saying that to each other, right?
Game
They kept just shouting
game,
at each
yeah.
other's faces.
Yeah. And it's like, it's like a full like shoulder shrug to the ground, and
It just
like,
felt
body
like
throb.
if like they started sucking each other's dicks right there, and like they kept yelling real, recognize real, and they sucked each other off. Like I feel like
Pretty sure they just
that-
go to
that
jail.
that wouldn't have like. I think I would have just stood there and watched and be like, this isn't gay. This is just real,
You know,
recognizing real.
For downtown Waikiki, I wouldn't be surprised.
Would you have watched?
That's a trick question. Well, I mean, you can't not look if you already saw
You
it.
can't not look.
If you already saw it, you watched it.
Hey, I just realized something. We didn't check the yields over here, so I'm gonna go back in time real quick. Go back to the Kings.
Life? No.
Back to reality. That song.
Yeah.
Predictable. Excuse me. Oh, did you like that one?
No.
1.7, 2.6, 1.0, 3. Oh, caught one. 2.4.
Nothing gets by you.
Not a damn thing. Except when it does. And then it does. That making sense?
Yeah.
1.92, 2.0.
1.936.
Okay. The rest were fine. Let's go back into the future more. Oh wait, that didn't make any sense. King 2, 1, 2.9, 2.4,
222222035 2231.
Oh, it's like fruit.
Is it like fruit? It's overripe.
Fruit is 3.1, and then 1.23, 1.8.
2.8, 3.4, 1.6.
All right, now let's teleport.
Forward.
Wow. Okay, we're at the Lords. Although it's not the Lords anymore. We have to change that at some point. Are you ready? Lay it on me. Just go for it. Just just real. Just recognize it.
Come on, faster.
Wait, okay.
1.90, 1.21, 2.59, 2.77, 1.14,
Oh, fuck. 1.14.
1.96, 3.39, 1.65, 2.15, 5.52, 2.64, 3.04, 4.13.
Wait, so 5.52, 6.64,
2.64.
2.64. Whoa, that's way out. Okay. 3.04,
4.13.
4.13,
2.25.
2.20,
2.20. 1.86. 6.71 and 1.60.
1.60. Checking the yields. 2.3. Oh, McGee, Tits McGee, got knocked down to 2.1, 2.8, 0.2, 3.4, 2.2, 5.2, 2.2, 5. Wait, 1.6, 3.9, 2.6, 1.3, 2.6, 3.2, 1.5, 2.2, 3.1. Seems like there's only one in each batch that changes. You know? You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Are you just saying that?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Tits McGee. MSA. MSA was the last one. And we're starting with Sex. Our personal favorite. Oh. Oh.
Is that the sound of joy?
Oh. Yeah, it is. It is. You know why? Because we're almost fucking done with this shit. Oh, hey. Are you gonna sell Amazon or what?
I don't know. I've given it 0 additional thought.
One thing is like, it doesn't seem like you really know why you bought it.
Oh, I know why I bought it.
Uh.
It's all. I mean, it's all backstories and what they have their hands into.
Oh, okay.
But it's not like numbers.
All right. So you just like have confidence in the company.
Oh, absolutely.
You sound
I
like
got
more
them-
of
I
it's
got
more of a
them-
church than anything.
I got them right before they bought Whole Foods.
Oh. Cool. I'm just wondering, like, when do you decide to sell? I guess that's
I
a
don't
question
know,
that
man.
I've asked myself a lot when doing this whole investing thing.
Originally, when I got them, I was set in. I'm gonna keep them long term, because I think they have plenty of room to grow, and they have their hands in a bunch of stuff that they're not just gonna disappear. And it'd be difficult for competitors to get up to speed.
Maybe. But what would have to happen for you to sell? Like, let's say, hypothetically,
Jeff Bezos
that
would have to knock on my door.
Jeff Bezos would have to knock on your door
Yeah.
and what?
Start crying.
If Jeff Bezos
Wait,
knocked
can
on your
we-
door and started
Can
crying,
we
then
talk
you would
about
start
your dream?
my dream.
Where
Oh, the one where I was. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Why not?
it's, you're like at a party or something, and then like asking me, oh yeah, let's just call up Jeff Bezos. Just talking in your sleep. Is that how that went? I don't even remember now.
That was the worst storytelling ever. You gotta tell people, like, you heard me talking in my sleep.
Yeah.
You didn't say any of
that's
that
a good
shit.
premise.
You just started talking about my dream as if you dreamed it.
That'd be cool.
Stop dreaming my dreams. Give them back.
It has in my dream.
Jeff Bezos stole $800 from me.
Yeah.
In your dream?
No, the gift cards.
Well, you're still trying to get the gift cards, right?
Son of a gun.
That's how Jeff Bezos got rich. He
Yep.
stole a bunch of gift cards. All his gift cards.
Bastard.
I'm really curious where that extra noise is coming. I think
From
it's...
the bathroom?
No, it's not from the bathroom. It's not from the fan because we didn't turn that up.
What is it?
Or it's been on?
What does it sound like?
Like there's an extra noise. Like the noise floor just came up further.
The freeway's always been there.
Nah, I think the laptop fan just started coming on. I think that might be it. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, anyway,
It's picking up full.
2.87.
Oh, man.
Pardon my...
Right when I'm
French.
going to open my mouth. 1.93. 1.62. 1.03. 2.28. 0.98. 0.98.
0.98.
2.21. 2.18. 1.45. 3.66. 4.94. 2.31. 3.22.
Wait, sorry, 4.94,
2.31.
0.31,
3.22.
0.22,
1.90.
1.90. Alright, 2.7, 2.0. Already caught an intruder. 4, 0.8, 1.3, 2.2, 2.5, 1.1, 1.0, 2.3, 1.3, 1.6, 1.7, 3.0, 3.2, 3.3. Carl.
Yes?
We're done.
Carl
all we have
and
to do-
Alex.
Now all we have to do is spend my hard-earned money.
Our hard-earned money?
My hard-earned money.
I'm gonna somehow ease it back into your subconscious to say our.
Yeah. So the problem here now is that it's by this system, it's still saying to buy the same shit. So is that good? It's an interesting question. Because
Define
there's
good.
this, yeah. I think good is relative to whatever you could get, like relative to the other offers. So like, if you buy Altria, compared to, I don't know what's at the bottom, Walmart. Walmart is literally at the bottom of this list,
Surprised.
which is, I guess, not to say that it's doing poorly as a company, but it's actually, I bet if you looked up Walmart right now, that it would be at its 52-week high. Pretty close to it, I'm guessing. Let's see, 52-week high, 112, 110. So there is some kind of, that's one thing that I noticed with this system, is that the ones at the highest dividend yield theory multiple tend to be closer to their 52-week low. So, for example,
That's cool. Oh, can you do Amazon for me? Oh,
Amazon. No, I can't. Not by this
not
system.
Not long enough.
No, because this system. Sorry, did that sound? That sounded like a bitchy no.
No, it didn't.
No. Fuck it. So, this system is based off of dividends. Amazon doesn't pay any dividends. So, can't really value it using this system, this theory. Because the concept is that there's some average that the yield will regress to. That's the whole thing. So, if there's no dividend, then you can't really do any of it. There are other ways to value it though. Like, for example, I don't know. There's the classics price to earnings
yeah.
ratio. So you bought it at 900.
970.
Let's see.
Average of like 970 something. Maybe 940 something. I don't know. Between there. No, I think it was 970 something.
So around this time, somewhere around here,
Yeah.
2017 summer.
Maybe.
It's about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Ah, cool. Fucking good for you. How do you feel about that?
Fucking amazing.
Great.
I wish I bought more.
So according to this, it's close to its 52-week high, whatever that means. I mean, that could be worthless. Some people seem to actually use. Oh, just realized I have this echo effect. So the question still stands: should we put more money into these companies that this system is saying? Well, one cool thing is that
I
Walgreens
like
is going
Walgreens.
down. Walgreens is definitely going down in this list, which means it's going up in price. So, yeah. And then LEG. Hey, what do we... Where's the purchases at? Oh my god, what is it doing? It's doing this weird thing now. Oh, what the
What are
hell?
you looking at?
What am I looking at? Look, the sheet. Look, that's not fucking natural. It's not moving with my mouse.
Alright, I see.
It's like possessed or something. But now I'm trying to find my purchases. Where did my purchases go? Why are you in the document section? Here, let's check it out. So if we sort by we can see the Walgreens purchases. Wow, was that actually bothering you? Wow, you got issues. You got serious issues.
Finally.
Let me get rid of this because it's not really useful. So, according to this, the most recent purchase, even though I bought some way back in April, in the last series of purchases, June 12th, it was at 60, and then the week after that it was at 59, and then the next week it was, we don't know. But now it's at 46, so it is moving. It's on the move here. It's actually a pretty big move. So, I mean, I don't know if that's really saying anything. Let's look at Mo here. This isn't really saying anything. Other than that, we're buying a lot of Walgreens and Triple M and Mo, like the same guys. So the idea is, or at least the hope is that by doing this each week, there would be different opportunities. But now I'm starting to realize that maybe doing it every week, you end up just buying the same company for I don't know, well, at least a month now. It really depends on how long it takes for it to kind of go back up. So I may have to rethink this whole strategy.
At least you could still check on it every week and see how the trend's going, if it's still recommending the same thing.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because like leg here, I didn't get a signal to buy. The signals to buy were like months apart, so that's kind of cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is cool, isn't it?
It's amazing. Did I peek it?
Yeah.
Did I finally peek it?
Yeah. No, you definitely didn't peek. Well, I don't know. I didn't see the lights, but all right, let's go spend some money. What do you think?
Papa John's.
Papa John's.
Papa John's.
What's their ticker? Papa John's. Or were you just saying you want to eat Papa John's?
That sounds amazing.
It was pizza night. Planet Fitness. They buy Papa John's.
There you go.
Wait, so you just
It's pretty
There you
good
go,
pizza.
but you're
man.
saying I should buy stock in Papa John's
I think
because
you
of
should.
that.
Try look.
Oh, try look.
Try look.
Try look.
Oh gosh, wait, no.
Do they pay a dividend? Oh yeah, they do. I wonder if they're even a contender. Check it out. Let's check it out. Let's go to the dividend champions here. The watch list.
Yeah, I ate 5 slices of pizza and I was 100. I weighed myself at 135.
Nice.
Oh my god. 135. So Papa John's has been growing their dividends for 6 years. I mean,
I like
not
the
as
pizza.
impressive as the you like the pizza.
It's better
That's
than
how,
Domino's and
that's
pizza.
how you decide.
Yeah,
All right.
makes my stomach rumble.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's rumbling. Maybe.
Papa John's is okay.
They got the jalapeno.
I feel like,
pickled peppers.
but I feel like it's been such a long time since I've had the other ones, because
Yeah.
Mike used to like Papa John's a lot, so we'd pretty much eat only that. And also like there's always this deal. So for the past like 4-5 years, the only pizza I really had was Papa John's. It's not bad. It was okay.
Your dad
Round
like that
table pizza? You ever have that in Waikiki?
No.
You fucked up.
That's it. Done.
Yeah. Go get some round table pizza right now.
God, that sounds amazing.
You know what sounds amazing? Ending this show. What do you think? End it?
Yeah. My ear's sore.
Should we do this or end this?
Well, it's telling you. We just bought those same ones last week, right? Are you content?
No. I don't
Why aren't
think.
you content?
Why?
Why?
Why, my child? I don't know. I don't feel good about buying the same
Oh, okay. So,
shit over and over. It's kind of weird.
well, it's only
But
1 week.
it's also,
It's only been 1 week if we don't buy it today.
Yeah, it's true. But I do have to figure out a way to build kind of diversification in. I think it'll naturally occur over time.
Are these
I don't know. I guess time will tell if
This-
it really matters.
this list that's on there?
Yeah.
Is that of like for kings? Those are just based on the
King-
portfolios, the tickers that you picked.
Yeah,
We could go explore other tickers.
it can. But I like the kings and I like the lords because they have a record of several decades.
Is there another king that's out there that's unaccounted for?
These are all the kings.
Oh, of everything.
I also
else?
like it because it's a limited universe, so I don't have to like stress out about missing something.
Mm-mm.
There's only like 20 or 30.
How about Amazon?
Amazon is not a king. Because, you know why? Because it hasn't paid a single fucking year of dividends. Because it's a greedy cunt. I don't know. It's kind of... I like the concept of a company paying dividends because it means that there's some accountability.
What about Crest?
Crest?
Mm,
Like the toothpaste?
yeah.
I think that's Colgate or P&G.
Oh.
They're both kings. You're just thinking of random brands, you know?
The one that's been around forever.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that is another good mark of a company, is if it has a brand that is highly recognizable and you think that it's going to stick around for a while.
America.
So, can we put stock in America? I guess bonds? Is
Yeah.
that would be?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could put stock in ASMR.
Stock into ASMR, just random concepts. There's one
Dreams.
so there's like
Invest in dreams.
there's this randos portfolio that I have. It was just like random
There's
Random
headphones
companies?
For AMSR.
What's that?
There's headphones especially made for ASMR.
Ooh. Hey Alex. You can hop on that for the sake of my ears.
yeah. Buy ASMR headphones for you.
Yeah.
Great. And then just give them to you? Or is that how this works? So basically,
I'll
you want me
get
to
you
buy
a
you
mouse.
something.
I'll bring you a mouse. I'll trade you.
That's if you can dance like
Wait,
that,
isn't that
then
twerking?
I'll buy you
Really?
the ASMR headphones.
You want pinky promise on that?
No, I already take it back.
What? Dang it.
Yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see if it gets flagged for that. Like, we played it for like
Whoops.
5 seconds.
Isn't that twerking? Tootsie Roll?
Yeah, I mean it's basically twerking, shaking
I'm
that
curious
ass.
now if there's a technical difference between twerking and Tootsie Roll.
Fucking technical difference.
Brigado was saying it's
Man,
twerking's
fuck Brigado.
all in your legs. It's actually not that much in the butt.
Yeah. You gonna trust that man?
I tried it. I tried it. Once.
Tried. Apparently you
seemed
do
to work.
trust that man.
It just-
Today's July 1st. Yes, it is. Oh shit, my birthday is in 21 days.
Oh, good thing you mentioned that.
That means wait, that means my birthday's gonna be on a Monday? That means I'm gonna do a Money
Congratulations.
Mondays with my birthday.
Is it really?
My birthday.
You know it's a Monday?
Pretty sure. We can check. Oh no, it's a Sunday. Oh, well, that's nice.
Wait, I thought you said it was the 22nd.
Wait, did I just read that wrong? Oh shit, it is. It is a Monday. Yep. Alright, well. There you have it.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, let's do something with our lives here. Alright, more cigarettes. Yeah, so basically the same orders as last
You
time.
really want to put in an order?
Do I really want to put in an order? Maybe? I don't know. I'm kind of following a system here, and I won't know if it works until I actually try it out. So that's
More mo.
more mo. Yeah, more mo. And if I get burnt, well, I
More
guess
mo.
I'll learn my lesson here.
Mo mo.
Oh, are you doing something?
Mo mo.
Are you doing? Oh, okay. How many
You're not
stocks
laughing.
of W?
I don't know if I
yeah,
say
it's
it more.
not funny.
You're gonna. You're like, oh yeah, I see what you're doing.
It's not. It's not.
What is that? That's not me. Please don't say that's me. You're thinking.
What are you thinking about? You know why German accents always sound really moany to me? Like you gotta, hey, what? Yeah, is it not going? Did it just? Oh, okay. All right, here we go. 2? Yeah, let's do 2.
How many do you have?
So far I have 7. Just slowly building up. Review the order. Oh wait, I'm doing a limit order. Good day, good till canceled. Estimated cost. So the current price is 47.67. I'm gonna go the Carl method and just leave the limit price as the market price. Or I should say the last market price. Good till canceled, estimated cost. Alright, that's it. I'm getting quick at this buying part. Okay. It's bugging. That can go away. That can go away. They should have that. They should just have Tootsie Roll playing constantly in the background of
like that.
Robinhood. I think they'd attract more. So you gonna put in like 2 orders now?
It'd attract me. I'd totally do it.
Let me know what about. Let me know about Tootsie Roll. Let me know about Tootsie Roll. Up, but.
You're
Damn it.
So good.
2 hour. Jeez, this is going on 2 hours. 2 hours, 4 minutes, and 30 seconds.
Hello. Suck my dick.
I wonder if
Your
there's
mouth
any.
always so wet.
I wonder if there's any like vulgar. I don't know. Why is my mouth always so wet? You like that? Makes you giggle.
It does make me giggle.
All right, how many Walgreens do you want, huh? Because I know you're so fucking in love with Walgreens.
Just 2, because we did 3 last.
Oh, just 2. You'll take casual 2.
Well, we're gonna go abide by the system and go more mo.
Abide by the system and go more mo.
Yeah. Because he's at the top.
Yeah. Well, I bought 2 of mo.
Oh, 1 Walgreen.
It's not so much about like doing. I don't know. There's a bit of an art here. You want 2? I'll fucking give you 2. How about that?
Sweet.
Because it's like we said before, everyone needs tampons and cigarettes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Submit that.
You know, it'd be really cool if you had a map of women's periods, like with a timeline.
This already doesn't sound cool. Anytime someone says, you know, it'd be cool. I wonder what the percentage is of it not sounding cool.
If you could map out where in a cycle every woman is and where they're located, like, you know, like they say that women sync their
Yeah.
periods.
I have heard that actually.
If, like, all of Los Angeles was PMSing at the same time.
Yeah, that sounds bad.
Have like hot spots of just like PMS.
Hotspots of PMS. That just sounds like it's some kind of like video game. It's like
that Minesweeper. PMS Minesweeper.
PMS, the RPG.
Oh yeah.
You gotta go fight
I'll be in that one next week.
Jesus.
Battle.
Oh, great. That's good foreshadowing.
Protagonist.
Triple M or leg? Nah, let's go with leg. 2 shares of leg. Oh.
Do you get 2 legs?
2 leg. You can't. You should make that a rule. Never buy 1 stock of leg, because that would be wrong. You gotta have 2 legs.
Only like even numbers.
Yeah.
You don't like tree.
Oh, you like tree now? Oh. Oh.
Who in Hawaii?
Who and why?
Who in Hawaii?
Oh. Who in Hawaii talks like that?
Yeah. It's like
no one.
I'll
Yeah, no one talks like that. Oh. Oh man. Yeah, I told you.
It's like
Brigado told me about his friend's friend.
Oh yeah, that's right.
What was funny is that I think he was saying that the guy wasn't even from here, and he was
Man.
had this nasally like pigeon thing he was doing. He was
Maybe
like,
he had the
oh,
flu.
oh, Hoonier for sure, Hoonier. Oh,
Hoonier. Oh
Hoonier.
jeez, man.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just going by how Brigado said it. By 2 of these guys. And that's that. We're fucking done here.
That's what you said like 15 minutes ago.
But now we're really done.
Well done.
Well done. Just gonna hit the
road.
so wait for the done button, and then I'll be out of here. But yeah, I think at some point I will have to stop. Like, I can't make a buy every week. Like, it has to be right, and I hope to find the conditions that they actually are. You know, I think part of investing is knowing when to not invest, not just like mindlessly investing every once every unit period of time. So yeah, thank you. So maybe next week is the time that we don't.
I'm excited.
Yeah, and we check out different ways to invest in different things.
And maybe we can figure out look at Amazon and Tesla again.
Yeah.
Tesla is what my more concern.
Yeah, that's reasonable. Oh, should we play our own previous episode?
No, I think you should do Freestyle Fridays.
Should we go out with
Friday's coming out?
Isn't that kind of pathetic?
No, I think it's great. It's a great idea.
Okay.
You know why?
Why?
I came up with it.
Oh, great. That automatically makes it not pathetic. 12 views. That's got to be all you.
No.
Because
well, I thought it said it doesn't count me multiple times.
I think it does. I mean, if you watch it in rapid succession, then it doesn't. But if it's like times apart, then I think it does.
I think I watched it like twice and then you watched it.
Yeah, I sent it out to the boys.
The boys.
Yeah. I think there's a comment actually. Oh yeah, from Mike. Straight fuego.
On fire.
Straight. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm excited for Friday.
Man.
Are you gonna join?
Get through all of these.
No. I'll watch it and eat crackers.
Yeah, I'm like a monkey, but you never see me in my tummy when it rumbles. Yeah, I get the grumbles, but you never see me complain.
All right,
I
we're
stay
done.
maintained in the
We're outta
brain,
here.
and I'll stay
Jesus.
insane at